What is up, you guys? Okay, you won't believe what just got confirmed. Well, actually, you can experience, so you know the title of the video, and you can see it's Birds of Prey movie confirmed. They're starting to film in January of next year, and it's gonna be rated R. What do I think of this? And do I think it's gonna be good? Hell no, honestly. I think it's gonna be bad. I I really do. I know it's a new director and stuff, but I honestly think that this movie is gonna be crap. Not Green Lantern kind of crap, like Batman v Superman kind of crap, which is kind of the same kind of crap. But this movie, this is not real stuff. It's just the Batgirl stuff. It might be why it's rated R, because they're probably gonna have like Joker step into the room and like shoot her or something, because that's what happened in the comics, and then she'll become Oracle, blah blah blah. Or she'll just start off as Oracle, and there'll be some flashbacks to the Killing Joke. Like, I don't think it's gonna be good. I really don't. I think it's, yeah. This is kind of it. I know it's sort of short, but I do not think it's gonna be good. The only aspect that I think will be good is the Black Canary if she's in it. I will like it. I'll probably only like Black Canary and nothing else. So that's it for today. Click here to watch my Venom. Uh, what was it like? Venom. Oh yeah, Venom thoughts. First and last thoughts video for Venom, and my Venom Trailer 3 breakdown over here. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bye. Thanks for watching.